Alan, do you want to go look and see if Santa left you some presents? Remember he was going to come from the attic? Should we go look outside on the steps and see if he left Alan any presents?
I think Santa came. Santa came to leave presents for Alan. Should we go and see it? Should we see? Maybe Santa left you some presents.
Yeah.
Maybe Santa did.
Let's go look outside.
Should we see if Santa left you presents for Alan?
Yeah.
Presents for Alan.
Okay, go look, Daddy.
We look by the steps. Maybe there's presents. Oh, look! Look!
Oh, I can't see. It's too dark.
Santa left all the presents. Yay!
Should we take them inside and open some?
Okay. Should we take some?
Okay, we'll take some in.
Alan takes that one.